So, hello guys, it's your favorite learning channel, Learn with me. So, in today's video, we are going to learn what is synthetic division of the polynomials, and I am going to explain by giving some examples. So, before we start, let's talk about what is synthetic division. Synthetic division is a division of a polynomial which is done by linear expression. If we divide any polynomials by a linear expression like x minus a, that division is known as synthetic division. It is only done in polynomials. So this is the definition which is shown in the screen. So there are some rules of synthetic division. You can only divide, you can only compare the divisor. We have to compare divisor. We have to compare divisor by x minus a. So you can only compare the divisor which has the degree of 1. So if the divisor has the degree of 2, then you cannot divide it. And so let's take an example. Here I have told you have to compare the divisor by x minus 1. X minus a, sorry, I have been telling x minus 1, but it's x minus a. So we have to compare the divisor by x minus a. And so if in this condition, in this question, if we compare x plus 1, which is the divisor, by x minus a, we get x minus bracket minus 1. So in this question, a is equal to minus 1. So in question is x to the power 2 plus 9x minus 3, which is divided by the linear equation x plus 1. And if we compare x plus 1 by x minus a, we get x minus minus 1. So x minus 1 is a equals minus 1. And always remember the middle sign. The middle sign, if it is in plus, then write minus, and if it is in minus, then write plus. So and the compared term, the answer of the compared term, right? So we have got a is equal to minus 1 should always be putted in the left hand side. In this also I have put it minus 1 in left hand side. So I have written 1, 9 and 3 here, right? So why did I have written there? So as you can see in the question, the coefficient of degree, the x having degree 2 is 1, right? So I have put 1 at beginning, and the coefficient of degree x to the power 1 is 9, so I have written 9. Coefficient of x to the power 0 is minus 3, so I have written minus 3. And always remember the last term, I mean the term of x to the power minus x to the power 0 is always put at the right hand side. Always put at the right hand side. Or you can also tell the compared term, which is in this condition got minus 1, should be written at right hand side, and the last term should be written at right hand side. Compared term should be written at left hand side, and the last term should be written at right hand side. Jump into the first step, which is to write the first term as it is. So the coefficient of x degree 2 is 1. So first term is 1, so I have written 1 as it is. And okay, I have given the arrow. This arrow is needed, okay, this arrow is needed because of some process, and I have written 1 as it is. So now what's the second step? So the second step is to multiply the term which is in the downside of the box. Okay, in this condition there is 1, so multiply, so the downside of the term should be multiplied by the left hand side of the term, and we get the answer we get should be written at the right one step right. Okay, so I have so in this diagram I have in this question, in this box, the downside term is 1, and I have multiplied the downside term of 1 by -1, which is at the left hand side, and I put that answer in the one step right. Okay, one step right. So 9 minus 1 is 8, and I again multiply 8 by -1, which is -8, and I write one step right. So -8 by -3 is -11. So got the drill? We have to multiply the downside term by the left hand side of the term, and we have to write the answer one step right. Okay, about the answer, we have to know that the answer in this answer, the answer is quotient. So quotient is always 1 degree less, okay, 1 degree less than the divisor, okay, which is the x by x to the power 2, 9 to the power x, and x to the power 3x to the power 0. So we have to write same thing, but 1 degree less. Okay, and 11 the rightmost answer, the down and rightmost answer is always reminder, so no needed to worry that the okay. So in this condition -11 is reminder, and the answer is quotient. Okay, so to take out quotient we need to multiply the coefficient of the downside term. Okay, so 1 is so here 1 is the first term. Okay, and what is the first term in the divisor? X to the power 2. So we have to multiply okay, so we have to multiply the first term with the first term in the divisor, which is x to the power x. So okay, sorry, we have to multiply first term by the first the respective term variable. So first term means first term's variable, which means I have to divide x to the power 2 by multiply by 1. So I have to write x only. Why? Because I already have told you quotient is 1 degree less than the divisor. So third step is to multiply the number first. Okay, if the first number multiply by first term and minus 1 degree. Okay, again if I multiply 8, okay, 8 by the variable of second term, which is 9x, I get 8x, and I have to cut 1 degree down, which means 8x to the power 0. So x to the power 0 is 1, so I don't need to write that one. So that's it for the third step. So it's everything for the synthetic division. If you like this video, just leave a like, share and subscribe to this channel. It's your favorite channel for the education learn with me. And I want to give you a short question, okay, and solve this and comment down what's the answer. And if you liked this video, just consider to like and just watch it fully. Okay, and if you have any doubt about the polynomials synthetic division, just comment down below. That's it for the today, and here's the question. So bye bye, and be sure to write the answer of this question in the comments. Okay, tata.